Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Kim and this channel talks about yarn all the time because we love it, and we also talk about knitting and crochet. And I just want to say thank you for checking out today's video, although this video is going to be a lot different than what I normally put out because this is kind of like a happy mail video, and usually I kind of put those with other baggings or yarn hauls, but I haven't been shopping. I've been very good because I got a cat I have to pay for. But I did get this really nice box from Italy from Christina, who is Bella Unciento, and I want to open it up with you. I know what it is, but I haven't really seen it in real life. I've only seen it through the eyes of YouTube, and I want to share this cool thing with you and offer up a giveaway. So this is really special because this is only the second time that I've ever been gifted a finished object that someone has made. A long time ago, I won this really cool shawl knit from the Bookish Stitcher on a podcast. I used to really enjoy watching her videos. I don't think she records anymore, but I am going to link her channel if I can find it. But yeah, that's really cool. And she knitted out some kind of wool. It smells delightful. But I actually won a blanket from Christina. So a while back, I think it was Sam or maybe it was Christina, had a podiversary, and there was a giveaway for a blanket made from the pattern of Amanda, who is Amanda the Crochet Lady, and that is for the Spin Me Around the Granny blanket. And I won. And you may be wondering, Kim, why are you getting a baby blanket? Well, that is because I actually have this big old bag. It's like a big Ziploc bag. And I am actually knitting and crocheting things to put up for future grandbabies. And so I want to put this up because I think it's kind of cool to have a blanket, first of all, that was made in Italy for a grandbaby that I don't even have yet. And also, I am actually making one of the blankets myself because I have two boys, and that way each one of them will have one of these blankets for one of their kids. So this is the one that I am making. This is a pattern by Amanda, the Obsessive Crochet Lady, and this is her Spin Me Around the Granny Square blanket. I do not have a stitch marker in, and I've pulled out stitches. It's fine. I really need to work on this more. But this one is super special because not only is this my friend Amanda's pattern, but this yarn is actually from another mutual friend who is Sam, or Memphis Makes, and I won this off of her channel, and it is some King Cole Harvest, and I love this color. It's called Woodland, but this is a UK yarn, and it's a DK, I think, 150 grams, 585 yards, 90% acrylic, and 10% alpaca. Look how pretty that is. So I'm making one out of that, and then I'm going to put the one up that we're about to open up here in a minute as well. And then I just think that's kind of cool because Christina is their friend also. So it's kind of like this. My kids are going to have basically a blanket for each of them made out of friends of mine from around the world. And that's just pretty cool and special. So in the spirit of giving, since I won yarn and I won a finished one of the blankets, I would like to offer up a copy of the pattern to one of you. I think that just kind of completes the whole coolness of the friend circle on that one. So if you would like to win a copy of the Spin Me Around a Granny blanket by Amanda, then all you have to do is leave a comment with the word spin in it down below. You do not have to be a subscriber to this channel per YouTube terms and conditions, although that would be super cool if you were. And I would really appreciate it if you would leave a thumbs up on this video. It just really helps YouTube kind of do its thing, but it is not required at all as well. There are going to be some other YouTube rules and regulations that you must abide by. Those are also going to be found down in the video description. And I'm also going to leave a link to this pattern because she does have it up on Ravelry, so you can check it out. and must be 18 years or older. All the other, like I said, YouTube stuff applies. So make sure you read those directions, as well as finding out the end date on this giveaway, which will be down below. That way I can make sure you read the rules and the regulations. So now let's open this bad boy up and see what it looks like in real life. Okay, I know there's always this big thing. We want to hear crinkle. We don't want to hear crinkle. I don't really like to put crinkle in my videos just because I know when I'm listening and I have on headphones that crinkle can be quite shocking and loud and things like that kind of bother me. So I try to avoid crinkle as much as possible on my channel because it's my personal preference. But I do want to show you a sneak peek as I open this. Very pretty. I had to pull the hair up. The hair is getting cut sometime next week. I'm just ecstatic for that. But this is very pretty. Love the colors. I kind of knew what the colors were because she kind of asked me, but I didn't really get to see it in real life. And I really like this. I really like this variegated with the pinks and purples and blues. I think that's purple. It's like a, yeah, it is purple. And I don't know what this teal is, but I really like this teal that's caught in this this variegated. It's a really, really cool stitch. I'm sure little kids would love to fill the stitches. I know my youngest has always been someone who likes to, you know, constantly mess with a blanket. I love the way that it just has that vintage granny kind of style that's coming back in, but it's a little bit different stitch. And it's more of a closed stitch. It's not like I'll open a hole granny blanket. And I think that's why I like it. But I love all the texture. Christina did an amazing job on this. I really love this. It's really nice. Really soft. She put a border on it for me. It makes me want to really work on mine, but I've got so much stuff I've got to do. Look how pretty it is. It's here. And I just really like it. I really like it. And I'm a tall person. Like I'm like 6 feet tall, right around 6 feet tall. And it's pretty good size wingspan as far as the length of it. It's a nice weight. But yeah, I'm very appreciative of this to go into my future grandbaby bag. Thank you so much again, Christina. This is Christina, who is Bella Unciento. Again, I am probably butchering that. I do not know how to enunciate with that Italian flair. And yeah. It's the southern drawl, y'all. Also, if you've not checked out the channels of Christina or Amanda or Sam, I'm gonna tag them down below so you can easily find their channels and check them out, but I'm pretty sure you probably already have. Thank you for all my returning viewers and all my new ones. I really appreciate you hanging out with me today. I hope you go and check out Amanda's pattern. If you're on Ravelry, hit that little heart for her, which is the favorites button. Maybe leave a comment letting her know how awesome it is. And if you would like to be eligible to win, make sure you check out the description box below, as well as leaving a comment with that keyword. And that's all I got today. I have a video that will be coming out this weekend, which will have all kind of patterns, free knit and crochet for a little donation drive that I'm wanting to lead, and I hope you really check that out and join me on that adventure. And until next time, stay crafty and find joy in whatever you are making and know that you are loved. Bye, friends.